Are you on the hunt for healthy, delicious, and easy-to-make recipes? We're about to embark on a culinary journey, exploring the top 8 Mediterranean diet recipes, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and heart-healthy fats. The Mediterranean diet is not only delicious, but also a boon for your health. It's known to promote longevity and ward off chronic diseases, all while tantalizing your taste buds. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner in the culinary world, these recipes have got you covered. So, are you ready? Before we dive into our first recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more research results related to health and well-being. Now, let's begin. The first on our list is the classic Greek salad, a staple of the Mediterranean diet. This salad is as vibrant as it is healthy. To start, you'll need some fresh, ripe tomatoes. Quarter them and place them in a large bowl. Then, toss in some sliced cucumbers, red onions, and a generous handful of Kalamata olives. Now, it's time for the star of the show, feta cheese. Crumble a good portion over the top of your salad. For the dressing, keep it simple. A drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a sprinkle of dried oregano, and season with salt and pepper. Give it a good toss to ensure all the flavors mingle. The result? A salad that's not only pleasing to the eye, but also to the palate. And just like that, you've got a fresh and vibrant Greek salad. Our next stop is Italy, with the irresistible Italian bruschetta. Bruschetta, a classic Italian appetizer, is a celebration of the simple, fresh flavors of the Mediterranean. To embark on this culinary journey, we start with a loaf of rustic Italian bread. We slice it thick, lightly toast it for that perfect crunch. Next, we take ripe, juicy tomatoes, bursting with flavor. We dice them up, toss them in a bowl with some fresh, fragrant basil leaves and minced garlic, a splash of extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of sea salt, and a crack of black pepper completes the topping. The toasted bread is then generously topped with our tomato mixture, allowing the flavors to seep into the warm bread. A final drizzle of olive oil and perhaps a rub of garlic on the bread adds that final touch of Italian magic. Enjoy this authentic Italian appetizer. Now, let's move to our third recipe. Our third recipe takes us to the Middle East with creamy, delicious hummus. This versatile dish, made from chickpeas, tahini, lemon, and garlic, is not only a delight for the taste buds, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. It's packed with plant-based protein, dietary fiber, and healthy fats, making it a go-to choice for health enthusiasts worldwide. Let's dive into the process. First, you soak the chickpeas overnight. Then you cook them until they're soft and blend them with tahini, a sesame paste, to create a creamy base. You then add in freshly squeezed lemon juice for a tangy kick, minced garlic for a flavor punch, and a drizzle of high-quality olive oil for a silky finish. The result? A smooth, delectable spread that can be enjoyed with pita bread, veggies, or even as a sandwich filler. Savor this Middle Eastern delight. Ready for our next Mediterranean delight? Next, we bring you the refreshing Spanish gazpacho. This vibrant, chilled soup originates from the southern region of Andalusia in Spain. To start, you'll want to grab some ripe, juicy tomatoes, a cucumber, a bell pepper, and an onion. Chop these vegetables into small pieces and toss them into a blender. Now, here's where the magic happens. Add in a clove of garlic, a splash of vinegar, and a drizzle of olive oil. Blend everything until it's smooth and creamy. You'll notice the gazpacho becoming a beautiful, vibrant red, just like a Spanish sunset. Once you have your gazpacho blended to perfection, chill it in the fridge for a couple of hours. This allows the flavors to meld together, creating a beautifully balanced, refreshing dish. Gazpacho is light, yet packed with flavor, making it the perfect dish for a hot summer's day. Enjoy this cool Spanish treat. Now, let's venture to our fifth recipe. Our fifth recipe is the flavorful Moroccan couscous. This dish is a delightful symphony of tastes and textures. Traditionally served with a medley of vegetables and spices, it's a well-loved staple in North Africa. Let's dive right into making it. Start by steaming your couscous until it's fluffy and light. While it's steaming, sauté an array of colorful vegetables. Think carrots, zucchini, and bell peppers, all bathed in a mix of aromatic spices like cumin, coriander, and turmeric. Once your vegetables are tender and your kitchen is filled with the rich scents of Morocco, combine them with the couscous. This dish isn't just a feast for your taste buds, it's also packed with health benefits. Couscous is a great source of protein and fiber, while the vegetables and spices provide a wealth of vitamins and antioxidants. Savor this flavorful Moroccan dish. Ready for our next Mediterranean journey? Next, we bring you a sweet treat from Turkey, the delicious baklava. This dessert is a testament to the old saying that the best things in life are often the simplest. At its heart, baklava is a harmonious blend of three humble ingredients: phyllo dough, nuts, and syrup. The magic begins as we layer the thin, crisp phyllo dough, interspersing it with a generous spread of finely chopped nuts, commonly pistachios or walnuts. The layers are then baked to a perfect golden brown, but the real secret lies in the syrup, a luscious concoction of sugar, water, and a touch of lemon juice, which is poured over the hot baklava, allowing it to seep into each layer, creating a sweet, sticky masterpiece. The result? A dessert that's incredibly sweet, nutty, and flaky, a joy to bite into. Baklava is not just a dessert, it's an experience, a celebration of textures and flavors. Enjoy this sweet Turkish delight. Now, let's move to our seventh recipe. Our seventh recipe takes us to France with the colorful ratatouille. This medley of vegetables is not just a feast for the eyes, but a powerhouse of nutrients as well. We start with a base of diced onions and garlic sautéed in olive oil until they're soft and fragrant. Then we add bell peppers, eggplant, and zucchini, all cut into uniform pieces for even cooking. A splash of red wine vinegar adds a hint of acidity, balancing the sweetness of the vegetables. We let it simmer, melding the flavors together. Next, we layer in ripe tomatoes, fresh basil, rosemary, and thyme. These herbs infuse the dish with a distinctly Provençal flavor. We let it simmer until the vegetables are tender, but still retain their vibrant colors. The result is a hearty, nutritious dish that's as pleasing to the palate as it is to the eye. Savor this French classic. Ready for our final Mediterranean delight? Finally, we bring you the fresh and tangy Lebanese tabouleh. This dish is a vibrant mix of finely chopped parsley, ripe tomatoes, and fluffy bulgur wheat, all tossed together with a zesty lemon and olive oil dressing. To start, soak your bulgur wheat in hot water until it's tender and fluffed. In the meantime, chop your parsley and tomatoes into fine pieces. The key to a good tabbouleh is in the chopping. The finer, the better. Once your bulgur is ready, drain and combine it with your chopped ingredients. Drizzle over your lemon and olive oil dressing and give everything a good mix. Now let your tabbouleh sit for a bit to allow the flavors to meld together. This refreshing salad is not only delicious, it's packed with vitamins and fiber, making it a fantastic addition to your health-conscious repertoire. Enjoy this Lebanese gem, and there you have it, 8 delicious and healthy Mediterranean recipes. As a bonus, all these fantastic recipes can be conveniently found in the description below. Watch another video that we think might be useful for you. The link should be visible on the screen. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. And as always, stay tuned and stay